Hi everyone. Today is Saturday and we're here at the home site again for our weekly visit. Um, Currently it's February 15th. Surprisingly, we encountered another snow, um, a little bit of a snowy day. It started last night, I think. And we just had our appointment with um, a guy who will be doing our security camera locations and Wi-Fi locations. We just had an appointment with him and just planned out where to put a camera and also the Wi-Fi location. And my husband really wanted additional, the Wi-Fi, when you don't want to use the wireless, you can plug in. So like he want that. So we planned locations where we want to put those. And I was outside too with them for almost an hour. It's freezing, so I'm currently back in the car to warm up. And then I will go back in, do a little video. So pretty much it doesn't look much different from last week. I think this past week they probably did mainly worked on the roof, so the roof looks a lot more done than the previous week, and seems like there's no more leaking. They probably been working on the roof last week, and pretty much it's the same inside from when we were here last Saturday. But last Saturday, the video, if you have watched it, it was pretty dark because we arrived late and it was rainy, cloudy, so it didn't really see clearly what the insides look like. I used a flashlight, but not sure that helped. So I'll be going back in to get a better video walkthrough, probably like a repeat of what last week's video was supposed to look like if the lighting was better. So yeah, I'm gonna warm up here. I feel a lot better. It was so cold outside. So I will start record that video pretty soon. I forgot to hook my little microphone up earlier, so hopefully I was a little intro. Hopefully it's clear enough because I'm in the car, nice and quiet. So, but now I have my microphone on. Let's go get our little house tour. Okay, so what the house looks like right now. Okay, let's step inside. Okay, so we came to the garage. So this time I will try to move a little slower, and I noticed that my previous videos were moving too fast, and I was watching it. I felt like a little dizzy watching it, so I'm going to try to do better this time. We're in the garage. The lighting is a lot better this time, so this will be the garage door, like right here. Okay, so garage door, and there's a little space, but immediately next to the garage door, here's a mudroom. So for now, my husband is thinking about putting his office setup over here, which make it reasonable because we have a window here, so it's not so bad. Yeah, so it's here, and we just go straight ahead from the garage door. This is a little flex space, and we were thinking about putting our TV here, TV stand, but today we decided to do something different. So for now, we will put our workout equipment in this area. Okay, that's this space. And from the garage door again, we're back at the garage door. Turn left. So this is the main living area. The main living area. That's the kitchen. Island table, kitchen. That's a sunroom over there. And this is a living room. This is a nice window wall. And this is a fireplace in stone. So we decided to mount our TV over there, right on top of the fireplace. So right there, the piece of wood, they will put the TV mount over there and put the TV on top of that. So, and that is sunroom. This is the sunroom. I'm really trying to move slowly with the camera. Okay. So there'll be a deck out there, so we can, after it's done, we can walk out to the deck to outside. Okay, let's go back to the entryway. Probably should have started from here for the video, but it's okay. So that's the front door. That's the front door, and this is a entryway. And that's my husband filming outside. And so basically, no, this is a door. Currently we can, there will be people can come in from here and close the door, come in to this big, pretty spacious foyer space. And right over here, this is my studio, my future studio. Plenty room, plenty space, and we'll have a double glass door for this room that I can close when I need to film and record videos. So 4 nice big windows for plenty of natural light. And I will be brainstorming about how to decorate this room, this space. So I plan to record a lot of different types of videos here, including just a nice quiet space for some just to talk, storytelling, sharing, reflections, all kind of something like that. And also there's plenty room to record let's say a yoga session or like a workout video. That's also what I really wanted to do. I'm not a big really good at very knowledgeable about yoga or working out, but it's just something that I'm interested in and willing to work on. So I continue into the entryway, and then here there will be a little closet over here, and we'll have a this is a little washroom. There's a sink and a toilet over here. So basically, you would come into the house from the front door and come in and be greeted by this beautiful, nice window wall. It's really cold. I can see my own like when I can see like the air, the hot air when I talk. Steam. So cold. Okay. And then over here again it's a fireplace and a two-story fireplace stone. So okay. And we'll walk. Let's go to the second floor. I forgot if I filmed this part or not. I mean, I think I did. Yeah, I talk about the deck. Right. Okay. So our TV will be mounted there, and is put a sofa over here and sit there and be comfortable. And from here goes to the second floor. Okay, let's go. Turn around. This is our first bedroom. I will be using it as my office. Set up a desk, just to work on computer when I need to. And right next to that, this is a laundry room. You can see they've been working on the water lines, the air conditioning heater system this past week, I believe. So we have our washer and dryer. So that will be dryer, and the washing machine will be around here. There's a sink and some counter space and cabinet space. Next to the laundry room is a hallway bathroom. There's a double bowl sink, toilet, and a shower bathtub. Here's our second bedroom. A lot of closet in every room. And here it's a third that guest bedroom. Here I really like how there's a little, you see like there's a little corner over here. You can't tell because the wall is not dividing the space yet, but there's a little corner here right next to the window. Like, I don't know, I can just sit here and think about life. There's another window. So we can see right into the master bed, but let's just walk out and walk into the bedroom as if every wall is up. So this is a second furnace. We have one in the basement. So because the house is pretty big, so we need two furnaces. One in the basement, one in the second floor. So here is a master bedroom. Can see a lot better this week with the better lighting. It was all dark last week when I was trying to film. It's the double door. And 3 big nice windows for the master bath. Plenty room to put a bed there and nightstands, and still have a lot of room to walk around. So this house is facing east. So basically, that's the front side. So in the morning, there will be plenty of natural lights shining into the bedroom. So it will be a really nice way to wake up, like natural, bright sunlight in the morning. So the benefit of a facing east facing house. So you see, if we leave the bedroom door open like that, and then we walk over here, we can see outside all the way through the window wall and see outside. This is like really nice view. So here is another white double door leading into the master bathroom. So we walk in. Right here on the left, it's a washroom. Basically just a toilet here. Toilet's got its own room. So they put a bathtub there that wasn't there last week. So basically walking, we have 2 separate sinks. Here is one, and this is a storage unit, and on the other side over here is another sink. So we like how they like divide it. I mean, double ball sink is also nice just because double ball, right, connected, but it's even better when it's actually separated. Like here is one sink, mirror and everything, and here's another one, so you really get your own corner. It's really convenient. So be right here. It's hard to see because there's no wall, like, but that's the sink. So here we have this nice bathtub. It looks really spacious, deep bowl in here, and we like how water came out from there, which is nice. And then there is a shower over here. So there is a water will come from the top over your head and also from the side on the wall. So can't wait to see the finished view with everything. And here is closet. There'll be racks all over the place, hanging racks. Yeah. Okay, so let's go out. Hello. Okay, so this is a view walking out of the bedroom and going back down. You see the fireplace. This is a fireplace. There's a venting tube all the way to the ceiling and vented outside. This is a gas generated fireplace. So we come down to this workout area, or walk this way to the kitchen, living room and kitchen. Overall, I really like the layout of the house, the floor plan and everything. Very spacious and has everything we desire and offers everything we want in life. So like it's really nice living area, beautiful home, and we're very excited and we're really happy. Okay, so I'm back in the car again. I just finished shooting the video, and my husband is still in there, and I don't know how he lasted that long. I am freezing cold. I just had to come back to the car and wait for him. And so overall, there's not much, apparently obvious progress on the house. I believe they've been working on the roof. The roof looks a lot more different, and there's no more leaking in the house. They've probably been working on the roof, and also the interior water line, plumbing, things like that. So next week, after next week, the following Tuesday after next week will be our pre-drywall walkthrough. So I believe after that, it will be finish up with the interior wall, and start the flooring and appliances, and to just other, smaller areas like projects. But basically the house, the frame is up. So it's like that. And we're really happy with the house so far, and the design, everything, and we try our best to customize within our budget to the way we want it, and so far we're happy with everything. And I think I'm going to stop the video right here, and thank you so much for watching, and I will be posting another video next week, and hopefully there's more progress and more exciting new a new look will be showing up next week. But oh yeah, I really excited, look forward for the exterior, like the paint, the color, and also the little stones linings on the bottom we picked. It were, oh sorry, I forgot, I took my microphone away. Okay, yeah, anyway, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.